Hi folks, Barry Edwards here, edwardscom.net, but you found yourself at over50startingover.com. And this is my DIY, do-it-yourself site for people generally over 50 looking to build their careers of passion. So whether you've been downsized or you simply got sick of the rat race that you were doing and finally want to do that career of passion, this is where I share do-it-yourself tips, and it is headed by my flagship course called Your Best Brand Blueprint. And that contains every aspect of local marketing that you need in order to establish your best brand online so that you turn more prospects into customers. Many local companies, such as auto mechanics, dentists, periodontists, business consultants, business coaches, restaurants, all these people draw their audience from a 5 to 20 mile radius and will not need any additional advertising other than getting on that first page of Google. Once you secure that with good on-page and off-page SEO practices, then you're just in a race. Not in a race, you're being compared with your other competition who they're pulling up in tabs. People are not using the yellow pages these days, folks. So at this point, you need to put your best brand forward. You need to be positioned better than your competition, and you're going to turn more of those prospects into clients. Best Brand Blueprint will walk you through all of this with video instruction and notes to accompany it so you can work at your pace, step by step, and get you through every bit of this process and turn more of those prospects into customers. With my full service company, Edwards Communications, I also offer a lot of lead generation services such as Facebook ads, Google AdWords, email campaigns, trade show displays. But I don't recommend going down these roads until you have your best brand put in place, your whole web presence with your social media, and best SEO practices on page and off so that you're generating as many prospects organically as possible, but also that when you put all that time and effort into generating those prospects, they are always going to come back to your website and check you out, and you need to be able to convert the most amount of those into customers as possible. My Best Brand Blueprint is a 3-module course, each broken down into separate steps, video-driven, with notes along the way so that you can refer back to them as you're completing the interactive worksheets that I provide you, the same worksheets that I use when I'm developing my client's brand and tracking the results. So with your analytics, the amount of conversions that you're getting on your website, and then even to figure out the return that you're getting on your investment. So if you're interested in getting a return on your investment with Best Brand Blueprint, click the link below and I'll give you a special offer.